January, we pray that we will never, never, never forget. People crying, my sister, hey, whoa, mama leave me, mama. We were running helter skelter. Yeah. January, have Christmas and New Year.
Alright, on 95.1 WAZOBIA FM. Now still there under civilization. Now it's Mountain, and today now the 27th day of January 2025. And we remember 27th day of January 2002. Alright, according by calculation, if you calculate them well, tell me how many years be that. And a lot of people, even the government can promise a lot of people being kaput, and canal kill a lot of people. Canal. All right. Now I get my guests for inside studios. Then serve them be victim. Thank God say them they alive. They watch their video. They see my own block. President, they put my block with born. Then put down for their video. All right. But Kola and Yomi, the Xplosions, now be their name. And when I still answer that name,
confirm.
Yes, sir.
But what you make una no blue? Una don't take for music. When you be barrack people know they blue.
Maybe say we know they blow.
For explosion happen for inside barrack.
No be small thing.
Bomb blast. We are supposed to blast the nation, man.
Before the bomb blast, we done the beer
explosion.
So by the grace of God, we believe say there is still time once there is life.
After how many years? Now you calculate 23 years. And you don't dare inside music before bomb blast.
Confirm.
Okay, Yomi, how far? You don't leave music.
No.
You don't impressive, Papa.
They call me Baba Champion in the golf industry.
Okay.
You know.
You don't enter golf now. Don't
yes, so my son I be national champion for golf. So
what will be name?
Destiny Oyero.
People go to Google the boy now. in the social media.
Yes.
So if they Google Destiny Oyero, they go see and there.
Confirm.
Your son don't be champion for golf, and you as the papa never blow for music. He go be the manager of his son.
Yes, so the manager, Papa.
All right. Any which way, yes, the experience for bomb blast. In memory of those who lost their lives, may their gentle soul rest in perfect peace. And I know that their family, whether government remember the people who die, whether government no remember, there's no how when the family we affect directly no go remember. Say, today, now we lost so person, now we lost so person. And you know, we've been the things that they go build monument for those people. Yes. Because that canal don't chop people well. On different occasions,
yes.
Apart from bomb blast.
Yes.
You understand? A lot of incidents don't happen for that canal. You know? Alright, now, which rumor una hear before una begin to run, after una they hear the sound?
That time I think we dey watch
cartoon. So the thing start like a gun.
We say that I would say na motor tire for outside blow. The boss. The first, second one, third one. When we come here, the heavy one. We make my brother will be soldier now. That is our last one. He's not a soldier.
Okay.
That one jumped from 3-story building.
He land.
Bros, serious.
Which direction? Now because after the thing happened, you know we gonna talk the story as it be. Yeah. You dey on our day A2 side. Senior SU, opposite near Catholic Church.
Yes, we are even close to the bench.
Then the bench house. Many people don't know say the bench. Many people don't even know say Ali Baba say. We plant you. So now make they say, wow, now no, because me I blow.
We thank God. As you don't blow now, I don't blow it.
All right, me now, I dey for that school one side. School one, they do my hustle.
Yes, so.
And you know, say the place where I did, near the armory.
Yes, near where the bomb blow.
You don't understand?
Yes.
Yeah, 3-story building.
I thought yes, something passed me. I don't understand. Before you know, man, you say not be today fake news on day. We were with the inside barrack. When the thing on they do pa. They say now Osama they do. Another person come bring rumor. Come to say no. Now those transport, you know those transport luxurious they show the data. Say because of armed robber where they rob, they don't they carry plenty mopo. So then the mopo they test their gun. You understand?
Oh God.
Oh man, before we know, we don't begin hear the big sound. Boah, boah. Before you know that big fire alarm, they don't start them. Papa pam, papa pam, papa pam, papa pam, papa pam, papa pam, papa 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 pam, papa 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 papa.
Let them know.
Before you know, soldier don't they say move here. Now we can't know say not be smart, you know. They can't show us the direction, but we thank our papa, so they try you, they direct us well. You know, Barak people. I'm not gonna lie for you. We don't get casualty like that.
Yes.
You know, understand?
Yes.
There are very few. Because I did with one woman out of ignorance. She they climbed that deer fence for block 72.
Wow.
She climbed the fence with her newborn baby. Now instead we go give her May hold on for ram. And you know, so everybody know get everybody time. Everybody. Because she don't climb the fence. I want to jump down before you know the pikin fall from your hand. Boom inside. You know. That was it. Me, I get one dog, Chrisman, I be the name. I carry my dog. Then he get one girl, Winnie. If mama don't run, leave her. If papa don't run, leave her. You know, you don't be like children will go play. Mama, when the thing start, you find pikin no see, he take off. Now me can't see the pikin where everybody done. Nah, carry the pikin, put for my neck. I can't carry my dog and the pikin. Now so we dey run. Now so the bomb go do like say the land for where una run go.
I run go Shoki that day.
You know run far now.
Now Shoki I sleep.
Why you go the run go that side? Now Ikeja go one joy in Kotu.
Yeah, run go Ketu Alakbere.
You know go see
two children from
that thing be like that thing it be like when God come. You no go wait for anybody.
At all.
You run your own, and they tell you. Alright, so the rumor we hear different from wetin dey happen, but we can't see the bomb. But our parents, as they be soldier, they try for us. Say, oh yeah, follow the God, move, no go that side, move, because we not even know somebody there inside where we dey live.
Yes, sir.
We don't know. After that bomb blast, we know.
Yes.
And then the armory is about 2-story building under the ground.
Yes.
On the ground.
That's how we take run. But now the people for Oshodi, man for Luku, you know, they can't hear another different rumor. Now they know what they hear. Now canal they then the stampede was much, the crowd. So those who don't go jam canal,
They just enter.
they no fit come back because the crowd when they back they push them more than move. So people they enter, the ones when they back inside the road they free. So then they match people inside. Now I made the casualty too plenty.
Yes.
And that is why in the military, know wetin they pursue you before you run.
Exactly.
And now we our parents take help us with that.
Yes, the training where we chop from our parents.
You understand? And we smart self pass our parents. You know?
Yes.
Because when they want you for inside barrack, now what for you?
You know they come last.
I dey tell you. You know? So as it be so, when they come back, you don't hear 27 January. Now you go hear Judgment Day. And 27 January, now Xplosion, now them singer. Judgment Day, now E to the X to the P. You know say, see our parents, they don't know say we get value. They know they support us, but we dey try. Oh yeah, make we hear this one. All of them know Judgment Day now. I think people sing about now because of this bomb blast. Any which way, confirm. Let's go chilling. Just listen to the lyrics.
Oh yeah now.
Hey, oh yeah.
Let them know.
Eba.
Sing it.
Nne na-agba,
Eba.
nna na-agba, onye ọbụla gbara ọsọ hapụ ụlọ ha. Ụmụ agbọghọ agba, yes, agadi ya gba. Ụmụntakịrị gbara ọsọ hapụ nne ha. Chei, ndofe amara amara, mabalị mmiri. Ndofe amara amara, mabalị m'ọhịa leile. Ndofe amara, mabalị me kanale. Ndofe anwụọla, ndofe efuola, ibe anyị erela, ibe anyị erela. Ndụ adịrị, Anyị kelere Chineke ịhụta Jizọpụta anyị n'ime bọmbụ lasti. Chineke imena ekele dịrị gị n'igbo dị mkpa. Chineke lelele limena otuto dịrị gị leife aba n'igbo dị mkpa. Chineke lelele limena. Oya mama dey run, papa dey run, we dey run.